Hey guys, welcome back to the Snap Ring Chronicles. Today we have something a little bit different, not the usual ratchet video, but something I found at Harbor Freight. But before we start, as always, if you find this content interesting or informative, could you give me a like, a share, and consider subscribing? Okay. The other day I was in Harbor Freight and I was walking down the aisle, and usually I stop in the clearance section. And when I stopped in the clearance section, they had this set of deep wall sockets. Let me see. Okay, it's originally $12.99, but these were on sale for $7.98. It says open box. And 8-piece 3/8 drive metric deep wall impact sockets. And I don't know what open box means on these, because all 8 of them are here. 2, 4, 6, 8. None of them are missing. So I don't know if they made a mistake or what the deal is with these. They look brand new. They don't look like they've been used at all. I don't see any cracks in them or anything like that, so I don't know. But it says lifetime warranty, and the item number is 67928, Pittsburgh. It doesn't say Pittsburgh Pro, just Pittsburgh. 3/8 drive 8-piece deep wall impact socket set. Deep wall design, black phosphate finish, chrome vanadium construction, 6 points, and the sizes are 10 millimeter, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, and 19. So this obviously is the metric set. And the big question is made in Taiwan. Okay, as it says on the description, these are 6-point sockets, deep walls. And these aren't laser etched, these are engraved. Here has the sizes, the 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, and the 19. I think I like the engraving better than the laser etching. I don't know, that laser etching is pretty thin. This goes down deeper, and the numbers are pretty big, so that's a pretty nice feature. There, these measure around 2.5 inches. All of them the same size, roughly around 2.5 inches. Yeah, I saw them for the price. I was like, that's not a bad price for deep wall sockets. And I don't usually use 3/8 impacts too much, but I figured this would be a good kick around set just to leave in the car, and I could just put an adapter, just put a 3/8 adapter, so I can use my my 1/2-inch gun with these. So not too bad. And these can be stuck sometimes. What I do is I usually just take a screwdriver and I get in the gap and just pry them out. Okay, this is what they look like. They have the one hole on the side. Let's see the big one. It's the 19-inch. That's the hole. That's how it looks inside. I don't know, they seem pretty neat. For the price, they were pretty good. So that's my review of the Pittsburgh 8-piece deep wall impact socket set, the metric set. Okay guys, until next time, take care.